So in today's video, I will be showing you how to analyze a poem using ChatGPT and also be able to identify all the literary devices in a poem. So let's get to it. First, we need to go to ChatGPT, so in your browser insert chat.openai.com and then log in. We need to insert the poem, and the poem that we're gonna use is called Golden Majesty. Copy and paste the poem into ChatGPT and then add the following prompt. Analyze and identify all the literary devices, then press enter. As ChatGPT generating the response, just keep in mind that this video is no way to cheat, but it can be used as a guide and make it easier to analyze a poem instead of wasting time and to be able to be more efficient. As you can see all the different types of literary devices that has been generated, such as alliteration, metaphor, similes, imagery, and the list just goes on. You can also ask ChatGPT to explain the meaning of a specific verse in the poem for better understanding by copying the verse that you want and then paste it in the same chat as the poem that has been generated and insert the following prompt. Explain with a question mark. When the response is done being generated, you will see the different literary devices that are used to explain that one verse specifically. If the poem has questions, you can copy and paste them into the same chat, then it will give you the answers to those questions. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.